If you're seeing the MSN error 40456, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This issue usually happens when your sign-in link is outdated, your browser is using an old bookmark, or your computer's Microsoft identity cache has gone out of sync. The good news is that this is usually a very fixable problem, and you can often solve it in just a few minutes. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the browser fix, because this is one of the most common reasons for the error. If you are logging in through a web browser and you see a 405 error, there is a very good chance that you are using an outdated login URL saved in your history or bookmarks. Sometimes old shortcuts like login.live.com or a generic msn.com bookmark can send you to the wrong place and cause the server to reject the request. So instead of clicking an old save link, open a fresh browser tab and manually type outlook.live.com directly into the address bar. Then press enter. This is important because typing the address manually forces the server to use the modern OAuth 2 authentication path, which is the correct and updated sign-in flow for Microsoft services. Once the page loads, try signing in again with your Microsoft account. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem immediately. If you were being redirected from a bookmark or an old save page, replacing that with the proper modern sign-in page can resolve the 40560 issue right away. Also, if you have multiple Microsoft tabs open, close them first and start clean, because sometimes an old session can keep the error going. Now, if the error is happening inside a desktop mail application like Outlook, the cause is usually different. In that case, your computer's local identity cache may have fallen out of sync with Microsoft's live security servers. That means the app is trying to use old sign-in information and the server no longer accepts it. The fix is to clear the broken cache so the app can create a fresh connection. Before you do anything else, close all open Microsoft applications. Make sure Outlook is closed, Teams is closed, and OneDrive is closed too. You want to fully shut down anything that may be using your Microsoft login in the background. After that, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type %localapp-data Microsoft and hit enter. This will open the Microsoft folder inside your local app data directory. Inside that folder, look for the folders named OneAuth and Identity Cache. These two folders store authentication data, and if they become corrupted or out of sync, they can trigger sign-in errors like MSN Error 40560. You can either delete both folders or, if you want to be extra cautious, drag them to your desktop as a backup first. That way, if you need them later, they're still available. Once those folders are removed, reopen your mail app and sign back in. This forces a fresh approved server handshake, which usually clears the error and lets the app connect normally again. There is one more thing to keep in mind. Sometimes a stuck web cookie can keep sending bad requests to the MSN server over and over again. If the browser fix doesn't work right away, clear the cookies and cached site data for Microsoft and MSN pages, then try again in a private or incognito window. That can help remove any old session information that is causing the loop. So to recap, if you get MSN error 40560, first make sure you are not using an old login link, bookmark, or shortcut. Manually go to outlook.live.com instead. If the problem is in a desktop app, close Microsoft apps, open the Microsoft local app data folder, remove the OneAuth and Identity Cache folders, then sign in again. And if needed, clear your cookies to eliminate any stuck browser session data. I hope this guide helped you fix the MSN error 40560 quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.